Today I'm going to be teaching you how to achieve a super stable whipped cream that will never fail you or end up in a running mess. Let's go. First, grab a small bowl and whisk together 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and 2 tablespoons of icing sugar. This little combo is going to be our magic stabilizer, keeping the whipped cream light, fluffy and stiff. Now, let's get whipping. Pour 2 cups of cold whipping cream into a chilled bowl. The colder the cream, the faster it whips. Start beating on medium speed until the cream begins to thicken, kind of like soft serve ice cream. Time to stabilize. Slowly sprinkle in your cornstarch icing sugar mix while continuing to whip. This step is key. It keeps your whipped cream from melting or whipping later. Now crank up the speed to high and whip up until you see stiff peaks. That means when you lift the beaters, the cream stands up nice and tall. And just like that, boom, the perfect stable whipped cream. This whipped cream holds its shape for up to 2 days in the refrigerator. So it's perfect for your cakes, cupcakes, or just eating by the spoonful. No judgment at all. If you loved this tip, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what's your favorite dessert to top with whipped cream. Until next time, stay sweet and keep whipping.